Alright guys, how you doing today? So we're gonna work into this thing again. Try to get myself together right quick. Here we go. Alright, so what are you learning today? You're gonna learn how to take feet minus feet, right? Why you need to learn this? Because you're in the trades, you need to figure out why are we doing this, right? So you need to understand you're not just adding feet, sometimes you gotta subtract feet and inches. So this is why you need to learn that while you're in the trade, right? And then how you be successful is just that. So you teach it someone else and the concepts and the answers come out right when you go back and check yourself. Alright, so just to keep this video kind of short, I want to call myself to give you options on how to do that. Alright, so option one is just this. You're going to take 18, we're using this number here, so 18 feet minus 7, 18 feet, 7 inches minus 14 and 3 inches. So just take the like numbers, right? 18, 14 is 4, 18 minus 14 is 4, 7 minus 3 is 4. So your answer is 4 foot, 4 inches. Alright, that's option one. And again, 12 is 1. That's how you get these. This is really important how to understand this concept. All right. Now, option 2 is kind of a little longer, but for those individuals who struggle with math, this is how I looked at it. I said, well, if I was in the field, I needed help at the point, and no one really showed me how to do it, right? So I can break it down to you. 18 is just that, right? You go 18 times, right? Every little tick mark, every one of these is 18. So I'm adding my 2's up. It gave me 36 2's. I know it's crazy, right? But then what I'm going to do is when I get the 36 2's, all I'm going to do is subtract the 3 from here and add it to the 1. So when I'm adding up my 1's, I go 3 plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, keep on going, so on. So 3 plus 1 plus 2, you know, keep going. 3 plus the 1 plus the 1 plus the 1. It gave me 21 1's, right? So then I take that, I just bring all my thing, I just figure it out over here now. So I take the 2, 21, and the 6 plus the 7, and got 223 inches, right? So when I got that, I'll stop there. So I go do the 14 the same exact way, right? Broke down 14 times, right? I added my 2 up here. I crossed out my 2 down there, if you can see it. And then I leave my 8. So then I just took the 16 ones. I started with 2, 1, so 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Keep counting until you get 16. And then I added that, 168 plus 3 equals 171. Right? Wow. So we're still using the same concept here. 12 is 1. Now we get down to the nitty gritty. Now we're going to take 223 minus 171 will give us 52 minus 48 equals 4 inches. You're like, how you do that? So basically, guys, again, you want to take these numbers, right? 2 minus the 1, right? Eventually, so we got to break this down. So it's like 2, 12. You got to look at it and say 3 minus 1, right, is 3 minus 1 is 2, which comes to 52. Right, and 2 cannot take from 7, so you got to take away from the 1, from the 2, it becomes 1, and that gives you, to make this is 12, 12 minus 7 is 5, then you got 52 minus 48, go into the calculation, give you 4, right? So you say, how do you get 48? So 52 right here, right? Saying just exactly that, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, is the same thing as this formula right here. It gives you the option of saying this is 4 feet, because it went in there 12 times, and you get 48. So 52 minus 48, give you 4 inches, and there you go. I'm going kind of fast because I want to make sure this video stays short. All right, last one. You have 18, right? We're going to break this down real quick. So you're looking at this thing and saying, all right, I have 18 here. And we're going to use basic math on this. So we're going to say 18 times 12. And how we do this, right? So we put the 0 there. 1 times 8. Is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. All right. Now we go from 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is 6. 2 times 1. Let me see if I'm telling you right. So okay. Yeah, I'm telling you right. So all right. So 2 times 1 is 2. I'm telling you, I lost for a second. 6. 2 times 8 is 6. Oh, we gotta add that 1 plus the 1, right? So add the 2. 2 times 1 is 2 plus the 1 is 3. There you go. I caught it for a second. Now we're looking at this thing and saying, let's go back in here and do this. So we're gonna break it all down to 180 minus 36. And you're looking at plus these two, right? So you get 216 plus the 7, right? And then it gives you equals 222, 3. And the same thing here, 14 times 12, and doing all the math there. So long story short, is 140 plus 28, 168 plus the 3 inches, right? You bring that down here. I'm kind of going fast because I'm going to keep this right short, all right? So, all right, you're going to add these two up. So 223 plus 171 equals 52. And you know we go from there. We just go ahead and do what we basically did up here on the other one.